If you're a pool owner, you know how important it is to have the proper sanitation in order to prevent the transmission of infectious waterborne diseases and to maintain the visual clarity of your water. Of all the filtration methods on the market, sand is the most common. However, sand offers the least effective filtration and it is heavy to manipulate. It also needs to be replaced every 3 to 5 years, and it is a pain to do so. This is why we created the most advanced filtration media, Crystal Balls. This new technology is made of 100% polyethylene balls that offer the greatest filtration efficiency on the market, even better than DE. Leaving no residue larger than 3 micron, Crystal Balls provides the safest and clearest water ever. In sand, water creates channels after some time, allowing dust, algae, and other particles to go right back into your pool. "22.5 kilos of sand equals only 700 grams of Crystal Balls, which makes it the easiest thing to manipulate. No need to change the hardware from your existing filter. Just replace the sand by an equivalent volume of Crystal Balls. Crystal Balls will greatly reduce the amount of backwashes needed, which means less water wasted, savings on energy costs, and more eco-friendly due to fewer chemicals thrown in the environment. With Crystal Balls, you don't have dust and sand debris being blown back into your pool anymore. Crystal Balls can also be cleaned in the washing machine. Crystal Balls is simply the best option when it comes to filtration. It has the best filtration efficiency. It is ultralight. It needs less backwashing. It is easy to use. It fits all existing sand or glass filters on the market. And it works with all pool sizes, small or big. Embrace the 21st century. Replace your primitive filtration by the newest technology available and enjoy your summer in a fresh and clear water with Crystal Balls.